Okay, everyone, please stand and let us pray. Okay, good afternoon, class. Did I give you an assignment? Okay, so before we start, let us have a first recap about what we have discussed last meeting. Okay, very good. So now, before we start, I have here a pictures and you have to, you're going to say if it is a product or services. Okay, so picture number 1, what is it? Okay, very good. It is a services. And picture number 2. Yes, it is a product because it is a bread. So next is, yes, Janelle. Yes, correct. It is a product again. And now, based on the pictures, what is your idea about our topic today? Okay, very good. It's all about product and services. But before that, let us read our learning objectives. Can you read, everyone? Thank you. So before that, we are going to look at examples of products and services so we can understand them better. Let's start with the product. Who can give me an example of something you can touch and use? Yes, Carissa? Yes, it's very good. So now, who have an idea of a example of what someone does for you? Yes, very good. A teacher is an example of a services. So now, let us discuss product and services. So product is the things you can see and touch. Example, a bag, food, or a book. And services naman, it is an activities done for you. For example, a haircut, teaching, and transportation. Did you understand, class? Yes, very good. So now, I will divide you into 2 groups, and each group will be listing 3 products and 3 services. And you will be choosing one representative to present it. So you can start now. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You may present it in front. Okay. So, class, how can you apply what you learned about products and services in your daily life? Yes, Karen. Yes, very good. We can apply it by identifying the products we use like food, clothes, and school supplies. Why is it important to understand products and services? Yes, Nicole? Very good. So now, always remember that products and services are everywhere and important in our everyday living. So class, based on what we learned today, how can you describe products and services? Yes, Janelle? Okay, very good. So what is the main difference between the 2? Yes, Lynelle? Okay, very good. Always remember, products are things you can touch, while services are actions done for you. Both are important because they help meet our needs and wants. Did you understand, class? Any clarification? So now, let's have a quiz. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before we go out, here's your assignment. Are you done, class? Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class. Thank you.